Hi everyone, and in this video we'll be showing you how to balance chemical equations. Right, balancing chemical equations, I'll do some examples and then I'll show you how we can apply that to actually write a full chemical equation. So this method is actually very important, and it's important for you to understand and to follow it for the first few times for you to get used to it. So I'll be doing some examples. So let's first look at example number 1. So copper react with oxygen to form copper 2 oxide. So what do I do? How do I balance? Is that I first need to count. So I write a Cu and I draw a circle. And then O2 means I have two O's and I draw a circle. So I have two O's in one group here. Then I have a copper 2 oxide like this and a circle here. So what do I do is I cancel out the atoms. So I have one Cu on the left, I cancel this. I have one Cu on the right, I cancel this. I have one O on the right, I cancel this, and I'll have one O on the right and I cancel this. Now, I realize that I need one more O. You see, there's an O that is not on the right side. So I need to add an O on the right side. So I cannot just suddenly say add an O like that. I can't do that. Okay, I have to follow the original chemical equation and add the O. And you realize that the only way I can add an O is we add the whole circle at the top. We need to add a whole CuO. That is why I asked you to draw the circle around it. So I added a CuO on the right side to balance the O on the left side. So I cancel that out. But I realized that because I added a CuO on the right side, I need to add another Cu on the right side. So I add a Cu on the right side. And then I cancel. And after this, you should realize that, oh, everything has been cancelled and that is done. So I count the number of atoms, number of substances I have. So I have one Cu and I have two Cu. And then I need to add the number at the front. So I cannot put Cu2 like that. I am actually changing the chemical formula, meaning I'm changing the name. So that's not correct. So I need to add in the Cu at the front because there's two. There's one, two of it. So I add a 2 here, right? And then there's only one O2, so I add a 1. And then there's two CuO and I add a 2. In chemistry, we don't really write ones, but as a practice, it's good to just put the 1 there first. Okay, but in the future, we need to eventually delete off the 1. Is that okay? All right, let me do another example with you. Let's look at number 3. Okay, so let's look at number 3. I have nitrogen gas reacting with hydrogen gas to form ammonia gas. So again, I write N, and then I draw a circle around it because it's a nitrogen molecule. And then I have a H, and I draw a circle around it because it's a hydrogen molecule. And then the NH3 has an NH because it's an ammonia molecule. So what do I do now? I slowly go and cancel. So I got one nitrogen on the left, I got one nitrogen on the right, I got one I don't have any more nitrogens to cancel, but I still got one more nitrogen left on the left. Never mind, I'll just cancel the H first. 1H, 2H, 1H, 2H. So as you can see, I have actually a N on the left side that I need. So what should I do is that I add in another NH because I need to add the whole thing, right? I cannot just add one. So I'll cancel, and I'll cancel. And then now you realize that I have left 1, 2, 3, 4 more H. So I need to add another H here. Cancel this, cancel this, cancel this, cancel this. And I still need to add 2 more. So let's add another 2 more. Cancel this, cancel, cancel, cancel. So now I have cancelled all of my atoms. So I can write, I have 1, 2, 3, and then 1, and then 2. So I have 1 nitrogen, I have 3 hydrogen, and then I have 2 ammonia. Okay, so that's how you balance the chemical equations. It might seem a bit tedious at first, but having this in your mind makes it very, very simple in the future. So I really urge all of you all to go and practice step by step to ensure that you are able to balance all of these chemical equations. Right? After a while, you realize with more practice, it becomes very, very fast to you. Okay, in the next video, I'll show you how to write a chemical equation. Right, all the best. Bye-bye.